Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide instruction on how to create notification templates. In DecisionLender, you may utilize your own contracts and documents, as well as Wolters Kluwer, during the application process. Documents fall into one of two template categories: contract or notification. Contract templates are used when the document you are adding generates on the contract prep page after Generate Contract is selected. Notification templates are used when the document that you are adding generates via the Print Letter button. For example, Adverse Action Letter, Welcome Letter, etc. Documents are associated to loan types, rules, standard and custom fields, and/or contract add preferences. Documents may be assigned to doc sets and used in contract prep. The templates should initially be created and tested in your demo environment. Upon successfully testing, you will need to utilize the Account Configuration Management tool to move the change to your production environment. Please see documentation and video pertaining to the Account Config Management tool. How to review documents. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. On the sidebar menu, click on the Setup tab. Click on the Document Management sub-tab. Then select Documents. The Documents page will display, showing previously created documents, if applicable. You may search for your desired document by typing in the name search box. To search for a specific type of document, select Criteria from the Filter By drop-down. How to create a notification template. A client's privately owned documents, added here, will be generated using the Print drop-down within DecisionLender. This pertains only to documents that do not require an electronic signature. For documents that will receive mapped data, the file must be a fillable PDF with fields that can receive mapped data. For documents with no mapping requirements, the file must not be a fillable PDF. From the Documents page, click on the plus sign. The Add Documents page will display. All fields marked with an asterisk are required fields. Select Notification Templates from the category drop-down. Enter the name of the document. If separate documents are being created for the applicant and co-applicant, enter the applicant type after the document name. Select the purpose of the document, if applicable. This applies only to notification templates. For adverse action letters, select Adverse Action. For all other documents, select Letter. In order for a document to be visible in the application, you must select a purpose. Select the notification type, if applicable. This applies only to notification templates. When the purpose is adverse action, select Primary Applicant or Co-applicant as applicable. When the purpose is letter, use the default value All. Enter a description of the document. Documents with an identifying form number should be included in the description. If this document is to be exported, put a check in the Is this document exportable checkbox. Leave the Is this a Wolters Kluwer document box unchecked. This applies only to Wolters Kluwer contracts. leave the subcategory below it blank as well. Select the loan type to apply to the document. If all loan types apply, hit Select All. Select states that apply to the document, or select all states. Select the blue Upload button. A dialog box will display, allowing you to browse and select the PDF file to be uploaded. At the bottom of the page, click on the green Upload button under the Actions column. The mapping page will display. Do not check any of the sign required checkboxes. These are for electronic signature DocuSign only. You may also skip the start and end date if it does not apply. Attributes, description, and field type will be populated based on the information from the fillable PDF. Click on the blue Show Object Model button and begin mapping the object model attributes with the object that relates to the field name. Note: users should have a full understanding of the object model. If a mapping is incorrect, the document will not produce the correct output or may not generate at all. Check the Resize Font box if the field values do not fit correctly on the form. Note: this can be determined once the document is tested. The Mapping Instructions column is for internal use only. Do not enter anything in this field. Check the Currency box if the field requires a dollar value. For example, amount financed, fee, etc. Put a check in the Read Only box if the field is to be Read Only. To view the document with its field names, click on the blue Show Document button. The document will display, showing a number for each mapped field. Click on the number to reveal the form field name. You may now copy the model attribute and paste it in the search field, allowing you to find it quickly. Once mapping is completed, click the Save button. The new document will now appear under Notification Templates. You may add additional documents by following these steps again. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.